guys are doing great.
Thanks, Dad. How come me and Ashley both said same? Because we're doing a good job?
Yeah, because you guys are good kids, that's why.
No, I'm turning it. Am I turning it too?
See, look at the shore. You guys are making us go along pretty good.
What are you showing us? What are you showing us, Dad?
I'm filming. Oh, it's not on this island. It was on one of the other ones. I think so, when I looked at the plat map before.
Dad, I'm paddling by myself.
I know, I see that. Oh, you're paddling us towards the weeds.
Turn it, Nicky, turn it. How will we turn it?
Oh, it looks like I better put the camera away and help.